replacement wheel light. Alright guys, as you know, wheel popped off my truck a couple months ago and destroyed the wheel light along with, several other things, but everything else has been fixed. Everything else is good. The wheel's back on, wheel bearing, brand new one. The door got fixed, everything's fixed, everything's good. Except for the LED glow rim light. I just bought the set, and they just, put them on, and then not even a month later, wheel pops off and smashes it to pieces. So I've been driving around this truck for about 3 or 4 months now with 3 rim lights, just 3. So I haven't even turned them on because you can't. It's an odd number. You need an even number. It wouldn't look right? Today, got a new one. Replacement part. So I'm gonna put that on today. Be good to go. But that's not all. Stay tuned. Some previews for some videos coming up. I got some parts sitting here in the back seat. Some cool parts that I'm really excited about. I think they're going to be some really cool parts to make some videos about or review. So we'll get into that in a second. So stay tuned. One more thing I wanted to bring up. Did you guys know that for every subscriber I get, another horsepower is added to my truck? For real. So don't hesitate. Hit that subscribe button. Please. Pretty please. Because 98% of people viewing my channel are not subscribed. We're growing. We're progressing. It's awesome. Thank you to everyone who did hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that. So I'm just going to keep on making videos. Hopefully keep getting subscribers, and who knows, maybe one day we'll get there. Maybe. Gotta have hope. But alright, let's get to the video. So this part shouldn't be too bad, as you can see I still got all the holes drilled and everything for the last one, so it should just be able to hopefully pop this one right on. Shouldn't be too bad. On there, that's the hardest part, which is just getting it to go around the brake caliper there. Whew. Not completely screwed on yet, but we'll get to there. Oh man, it's hot out here. that was the most work I've ever done just putting 2 zip ties on. But it's pretty sturdy. I actually think the zip ties are a good bit more sturdy than the little screw we put in. Alright, that part's done. Now, let's wire it up and see if it works. Now I'm just going to try to find the best way to get that wire. Move it up through here. And right up there should be where you plug with the other 4 wire. Just do that real quick. Oh, come on. Oh, goodness. There it is. In. Moment of truth. Look at that. There they are. Hey. They're working. There it is. Alright. Nice. Got it done. A little bit of redneck ingenuity. Alright guys, well, there's that. Awesome. Okay guys, I told you I'd give you a sneak peek at what some of the next videos are going to be about. So as you can see here, I got a lot of boxes back here. A lot of cool parts. First off, and you can see enough of it. That is a 4.56 rear gear ratio. That'll be exciting. It's supposed to give me a lot of torque. I'm excited about that one. I'll put that in probably first, get that put in. And I'll show you guys another thing I'm really excited about down here. That is a HO camshaft out of a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee, the high output 4.7 engine. Extremely rare and hard to get a hold of right now, but it is you pretty much just bolt it into any of your 4.7 Magnums from the years 2002 to 2007. And for me, for my Ram 1500 with the 4.7, basically just bolt this in there, and it should give me about 25 horsepower. See, I got 2 of them, 2 overhead cams. So 25 horsepower, just bolt them in just like that. And that is without custom tuning. Supposedly you don't need custom tuning to put them in. I guess I'll have to figure that out when I put them in. My mechanic says no, you should probably custom tune them. But from everyone else I've heard that claims they've already done it, says you don't need to custom tune them. I don't know. We'll see. But I plan to eventually get it custom tuned anyway, so if it does need that, then awesome. Whatever. Final part piece. Now these go with the cams. That is a solid lash adjuster, or also known as a solid lift. And this will put that in under the cams, and it's supposed to give you another 15 horsepower. So yeah, got a lot coming. Hopefully between the 25 and the 15 horsepower from both of these. I'm hoping for 40 horsepower, a lot of torque, hopefully some better gas mileage with the 4.56 gear ratio. Since I'm running bigger size tires and heavy bumpers and all that stuff, hopefully that thing, gear ratio will really help out. And then maybe after all that, some custom tuning, dyno tune, figure out how much power this truck's making, and wake up these cams quite a bit. Alright guys, lots more videos to come, so stay tuned, and I will see y'all then.